This course is designed to arm you with the knowledge on how to use the most highly rated data analytics and BI tool, that is Power BI, to go from data to insights. Now that's the main objective of this course. And this course is designed for anyone interested in data analytics. And I'm sure you are interested in data analytics, and that's why you're here right now. So this course is designed for you. And you as a participant should have the latest version of Power BI Desktop on your machine. I'm going to show you where to get Power BI Desktop very soon. Also, you have to download all data we'll be using as case studies in this course for you to have hands-on practice. At the end of this course, you would have learned how to do a couple of things. Number one is you would have learned how to prepare and transform data using Power Query. You would learn how to design interactive Power BI reports using the appropriate charts. You will learn how to design reports optimized for mobile phone view. You will learn how to build efficient Power BI data models. You understand what that means later on. Then you will learn how to publish reports to the Power BI online service and how to set up automatic data refresh. Now, what is Power BI? Power BI is a suite of self-service data analytics and visualizations tool. So that makes it two things now: data analytics and visualization. It has the ability to connect to quite a number of data sources, to pull data from that data source, to clean up and prepare the data for analysis. Then you can use Power BI to perform rich data analysis. You can create clear visuals to view outcome of those analyses, and then you can take it a step further by sharing those insights with others within or outside of your organization. Now, when we talk about Power BI, it is made up of three main components. So there are different components here and there, but these are the three main components of Power BI. We have a Power BI Desktop, which is going to be the focus of the course. The main focus of the course is a Power BI Desktop. This is a reports authoring tool. So Power BI Desktop is basically like a studio where you connect to data, you create all the analysis and all the reports that you would like from the Power BI Desktop. So here you are doing a lot of designs, you are writing formulas, you are creating data models. That is Power BI Desktop. Then you are going to publish that report to the Power BI online service. This is going to give you an opportunity to be able to share those reports with other people within or outside your organization. So the online sharing tool called the Power BI service basically has three main subscription components. So there is a free version. So the free version means you create something on a Power BI Desktop and you publish it to the online service. You have access to that. No one else has access to it. So you can't share with anyone within your organization, although you may be able to publish to the web and generate a link that you can give to someone else to view those reports. Whatever reports you are able to share on the Power BI service, you will have an access to that report via a mobile tool called the Power BI Mobile, which you can get from your phone app store. So these are the three main components of Power BI. Of course, we have other ones. We have the Power BI Report Server, which is like an alternative to the Power BI Online Service. So where the Power BI Online Service is in the cloud, the Power BI Report Server is local. So it is something that you have a server in-house. You don't want your data to be in the cloud. So someone can just publish from the Power BI Desktop straight into the Power BI Report Server. We also have something else called the Power BI Report Builder, which somewhat is a desktop app, but this is even from Power BI Desktop. But then it is an authoring tool as well, but it is not the main authoring tool for Power BI. So three main Power BI components: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, and the Power BI Mobile. If you want to learn Power BI and you think you have to be an expert in using this tool, then you are going to need to have excellent skills on 3 core areas. Number 1 is data preparation. So you need to learn how to connect to data, how to clean up dirty data, and how to mash up data from different data sources. Then you are going to learn how to build a Power BI data model and write a couple of formulas, DAX formulas. Now, if you're coming from an Excel background, this shouldn't be too much of a problem. Then you also need to be a master of data visualization. You need to know how to tell data stories using the correct visuals, using building dashboard without cluttering your dashboard, without passing the wrong message to people because of your presentation. Now, these 3 core skills need to go along with your knowledge of business. So business knowledge is also very critical in your quest to be an expert in using Power BI. So let's get started.